welcome back again to Natural Growth Secrets. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. And to all my sweet, amazing returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch our videos, guys. So today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys this super conditioning hair mask, which is going to make your hair super soft. It is going to strengthen your hair roots, and if you are passing through unwanted hair fall, this mask is for you. So guys, stay tuned and watch this video to the end, because you are going to learn a lot from it, and it is going to be very helpful for your hair, guys. So let's dive right into the video. And the first ingredients we are going to be making use of is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed are rich source of iron and protein, which help in hair growth. It contains mucilage, which promotes hair growth and help in stopping unwanted hair fall. So guys, fenugreek seed is so amazing to the hair. We are going to be soaking the fenugreek seed because it is very, very strong and you will not be able to blend it. So I went ahead to add in 2 full tablespoons of the fenugreek seed inside my jar, and then I'm going to be adding in water. I will leave that overnight for it to soak.
The next day.
So this is the next day. I'm moving over to the next ingredients we are going to be making use of. Onion, guys. We all know onion is so amazing for the hair. So guys, onion provides extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair. It prevents hair loss and promotes hair growth. I love onion a lot, guys. You can use either the purple onion or this kind of onions, whichever you prefer, guys. The sulfur from onions help to promote collagen production. Onions are rich in antibacterial, antifungal properties. Onion help in strengthening the hair, like I said earlier, and also when we use on our hair and scalp, when we use onion on our hair and scalp, it promotes hair growth, guys. So if your hair is slow to grow out, if you are experiencing breakage, if your hair is just too strong or always dry, try this onion mask, okay? You are going to love it. And the next ingredients we are going to be making use of is my favorite ingredients for now, guys. I have been using this ingredient and it is so powerful. This is green pepper, guys. You can also call it sweet pepper. It is also known as sweet pepper. Green pepper, they are an excellent source of providing blood circulation throughout the scalp and hair roots. It is a natural hair growth stimulator and helps us to get long hair fast. So if you are aiming to grow your hair, if you are aiming to keep the length that you have, make your hair grow faster, and also keep a healthy hair, health over length, guys, okay? But we want to make our hair to grow and also retain that length. This mask is packed with a whole lot of amazing benefit. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys what my fenugreek seed looks like after soaking for overnight, and this is what it looks like. I think, as you guys can see, it has getting bigger. The seeds are getting softer and bigger. So I'm going to be going ahead to bring out my blender. I will take the seed, add it to my blender, add in the onions and the green pepper, guys. So I am done blending. I went ahead to attend to other things, and this has become very thick. So the mixture has become very thick. I will go ahead to mix this up with my fenugreek water. Make sure to add enough fenugreek water so that you will be able to sieve this with your cheesecloth. So I will just show you guys what it looks like. As you guys can see, it is very, very thick, and it is hardly even coming out from my cloth right here. So I'm going to go ahead to mix everything again, pour in my fenugreek seed water. So in case you come across this issue, what you are going to do is just to mix it up with water. It is going to lighten up again and you will be able to sieve it out. Alright family, as you guys can see, the consistency is very smooth and it is so creamy, guys. So I'm going to be adding in my 1 tablespoon of honey. This is optional, guys. I just choose to add in just a little bit of honey. Honey is actually very great for the hair because it seals in the moisture in your hair, keeping it conditioned. It will also reduce breakage, which is often caused to slow your hair growth. So using honey as a hair care ingredient not only boosts your hair growth but also stimulate the hair to regrow from any weak follicles that you might have, guys. So honey is so amazing. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead to detangle my hair with my okra and aloe vera. I'll be leaving this in the link in the description box. So I took off my braid. You guys remember this braid? If you watch my last 2 videos, I have been carrying this braid for about 2 weeks now and the growth is amazing. So I went ahead to take off my braids and detangle my hair with my okra and aloe vera. I wanted to say olive oil. So an aloe vera, and then I will go ahead to apply the mask. So if you have watched this video to this extent and you love it, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and if you have any video request or if you don't understand anything about the video, don't forget to leave a question down below in the comment section, guys. This mask was super amazing. It defined my hair. It makes it easy for me to detangle, and my detangling comb was just gliding through my hair, and I was able to also remove some shed hair that I got during the last weeks. So guys, thank you all so much. I will leave you all to watch the remaining video on how I apply the mask. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead to click that subscribe button. Subscribe for 1 week of good luck, guys. Thank you. So I am done applying the mask all over my hair. Like, my hair feels so super soft. I'm going to be removing my twist and then showing you guys the bounciness. Alright family, so constant use of this mask will not only grow out your hair, it will also make it more manageable and softer. If you are suffering from split ends, then this mask is also great for your hair because it is going to allow you to retain length. And also the green pepper in this mask can help you very much because it comprises lots of vitamin C, it has iron, it has a sulfur, and also this helps prevent breakage and split ends, like I said earlier. So guys, I hope you all find this video helpful. My hair, I've been natural for 2 years now. I just completed 2 years, in case you don't know. So if you are a new subscriber, my hair is just 2 years and I have achieved a lot of growth, guys. So I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. You can also part your hair in sections while applying this mask. Apply it to your scalp, apply it to your roots, apply it to your ends, and also apply it to your edges, guys. So guys, I hope you all find this mask helpful to your natural hair. Even if you have relaxed hair, guys, you want to transition, you can also make this mask for yourself. It is super amazing. So guys, after an hour, I will then go ahead to wash my hair, moisturize it, and then put it in a protective hairstyle, and then I wear my satin bonnet. That is what I normally do whenever I want to go to bed. I wear my satin bonnet. This is going to help you a lot to, you know, keep in that moisture and also protect your hair at night. So guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on my